lovely family. So today we're going to do something very interesting here. We're going to see how to subscribe, like, and share and support the brand. Yes. So this is a simple tutorial I'm going to do with you here. Now what you want to do is on your PC. That's how it works. So you could always just go to your PC and just type cooking with ABBA with an exclamation. When you search for it, you're going to find us there. That's your simple ABBA smiling there. You're just going to tap on it. Then you're going to go in and you're going to subscribe. You can either way subscribe on the main page there, but I always prefer you come in. Now there are notification options, the bell options. There's one for all, there's one for none, there's none for personalized. Now any option you choose would going to have an effect. So if you choose the all, everything we do, you're going to receive it on your phone. That's what usually comes on your phone, bing bing, like this person has released a video. Then you also have the personalized. You're going to have also the none. None means that you subscribed but then you receive any notification at all. The personalized also comes, but you don't really see it on your phone unless you come online, then you see it. So you can check from our page and it shows you the home where you see all our uploads. You can go to the video sessions where you see all the videos we've uploaded by far, and that's quite a number, but you can go there to also search for a video you like. We've also organized these videos under playlists, so you could have all our videos, our journey by fast, use soup, all of them are there. If you want to read about us, you could also go to the about part and read about us. Now there's a search button around that side you can use to also search for recipes on the channel. So maybe you want to do beans, you want to do octopus or something. Once you type it in there, it's going to tell you the things we've done related to that subject, and you can use that to also play the video as well. Now we're going to learn one quick thing to do on the channel. Now whenever you go to our page, sometimes you tap on a video, you're going to have these ads popping up. That's normal. Yes, so when you see the ads, you can just wait for about 2 minutes or 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Then you can use the skip ad to just get over the ad. Then you can always play. So when you're playing your videos, these are some of the things you can do. Yes, so the speaker button there, you can mute it just in case you are the office and you just want to be playing to support the team. And you can also loop the video as well. When you loop the video, that means it's going to play over and over and over again, and that's one way you can help increase the watch time. Now when you come to the descriptions, you're going to see what we're saying about that recipe, and usually I have my ingredients and then my social media handles over there. You can also leave in comments. In the comment, give us some morale whenever we go to the channel or we check the updates on the video. So you can type in your comments and then you can leave that in there as well. And yes, you can also check other people's comments and you can like them as well. So that's just one way to be helpful to your YouTube friends. Yes, and you can like the video, and of course I always tell you to share to friends as well. So when you use the share button, you're going to have apps you can share with. This is on the PC. This is how it looks on the PC. You can also copy the link and then you can always open it elsewhere or send the link to people to also open. Now another way you can also play all our videos is to go to our homepage and use the play all session. That is only applicable when you're using your laptop or your PCs. So when you use a play all, it's going to play all the videos for you from the start, and it's going to have a folder at the side which is going to give you all of them. So you can like as well. You can loop. Yes, when you loop the playlist, what that does is all the videos in there is going to play in that order from number 1 to number 78, and afterwards it's going to repeat again 1 to 78 all the way through. You can equally loop on your screen. When you right click on the video, it's going to also help you see options for you to loop the video. So that's another way to play our videos on the channel. And this one solid way to support your YouTube friends by watching their videos as much as possible. As you're learning, you're also helping them also grow, and you're also learning more stuff alongside. And at the end of the videos, usually we have what we call the end screens. So you have other contents that pop up at the end screen. You can use those to also join in to watch the videos which are being recommended in there as well. And that's one way to go about the YouTube thing. I'm especially doing this video for my older folks in there. So this is more of a tutorial or an education, and I hope you're learning a lot as well. And yes, I always say try and loop your videos. When you loop your videos, it's good. So even when you're not around, they will still be playing continuously for you. So that is one way to watch the videos. And of course, in that video session you've seen uploads from CookingWithAba, you can just select any video in the loop session to also go in there. Now, as you're watching your video, you realize your account, your name is going to be there. So if you're Emmanuel, you can see E or something there. You can always tap on it, and then you can use it to change the one who is watching. So if you have a lot of Gmail accounts, each Gmail account gives you a YouTube. So if you have more accounts, what you can do to support your YouTube friends is to switch your account and use all the other accounts to also subscribe, to like, to share, to watch the videos for your YouTubers. So now let's look at how this works on your phone. Most of us watch the YouTube channel on our phone. So we're going to do a quick review of how that works on the phone. So that's my home page. I go to my YouTube and then I search for Cooking with Abba. So once you put it all together, you just add the exclamation. That makes it easy to search. Now when you search for that, you're going to see a page coming up. Then you can subscribe. Then the bell button, like I said before, you choose the notification size you want. You can go through our home page to see our uploads there. You can have our videos, our playlists, and then we have the about. On your phone, when you go to the phone, what we've done to make work easy for users of the smartphone is that we've had a playlist which has all updates. So if you want to watch all our videos, because on the phone you won't get the play off function. So what we've done is to create a playlist which is all uploads. When you tap on the all uploads, you'll be able to play everything on our channel. You can shuffle it as well. Then as you're watching, what you do is to like, and you can tap on the share button to share to your WhatsApp or to share to your contacts or any other means. Then once you've shared, you can just also download. Now downloading means that it's going to be on your phone, so even when you are offline, you'd be able to watch your videos from wherever you are. And this is one simple way to save up to save up your data. Yeah, so if you are data challenged or you want to save some data, what you do usually is to download, and then you can later watch it. You can watch it as many times as possible when you've downloaded. Now there are always going to be suggestions under as you're watching the video. That's one thing to take note, so don't be confused. It's just the algorithm for YouTube. And yeah, you can also come in to also look at the videos and select what video you'd want to watch. You can use the playlist to help you make work easy. The community, just telling about the YouTube community. But then even on your phones, you're still going to get the ads. So you can just wait for the skip ad to come. Then you can skip your ad. Then you can watch it. And of course, it's always good to like, to share, and to subscribe. And you can always check on the details on your phone as well. When you tap on it, it's going to help you see the details as well. And yeah, something like the gravy, you can see the link there. So if you tap that link, it's going to open the YouTube for the gravy. in there, and it's going to help you watch. So this is how to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for the time. Thank you for liking and sharing already. Thank you very much. Till I see you in the next video. Lots of love from our team and I. Mwah.